How to earn money with Playstore. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to do that. So right here is my Playstore. The first step you need to take is to click on your profile icon found at the top right corner of the screen. You can see that right there. So right here on this section, you can see where it says play points. So you simply need to go ahead and click on play points. So you need to go ahead and click on it like this. Right here, you're going to see where it says join for free. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. Go ahead and click on that option. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on yes, I'm in. You can see that right here at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that, you've been able to join play points on your Play Store. So in order for you to actually earn more of this points, you need to buy apps, play games, movie, books and subscription on the Play Store. That is actually going to enable you to increase your play points. You can actually earn more of those play points by making in-app purchase and also by participating in special offers and events. So looking right here, you are going to see where it says PEC. You need to go ahead and click on that and click on claim. Now you need to be coming right here all the time in order to claim your play points. So you need to click on claim like this in order to claim your play points. Now this is what you can actually do with your play points. These play points can be redeemed in-app purchase like game currency, character and power-ups. You can also use these play points to get Google Play credits like buying of apps, books, movie, and also you can donate this to charity through Play Store. So with that being said, you cannot actually directly withdraw these play points as cash, but you can actually use it indirectly to save your real money by using it to purchase the things you would have used your real money to purchase on the Play Store. So this is how you can actually earn on your Play Store. Hope you found this video helpful, and for more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to hit the like button. It's really going to help. Alright guys, see you in the next one.